Let's make a homemade fettuccine. Starting out with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Gonna go ahead and make yourself a well. Crack in a couple eggs, a little bit of oil. I forgot the salt. Slowly scramble the eggs in, mixing the flour, and I mean slowly, take your time. And once you get it to this point, you're gonna go ahead and spend 15 minutes or so kneading it, working it. Then you're gonna go ahead and cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes. Bring it back out, grab your roller, pick your desired thickness. You should be able to maybe see your hand through the back of it, but we all know how thick a noodle should be. Once you reach your desired thickness, I squared mine off, as you'll see here in a second. Right there, folded it, cut it into fettuccine size strips. You can do whatever you like right here. Cook it up, only a couple minutes with fresh pasta. Add some homemade sauce, fresh Parmesan, and enjoy.